a yeah,
You alright?
I'm fine, man.
Hey, look at me, look. You alright?
Yeah, fine.
Yep.
Fine.
Check everything.
Yeah, lock the front.
Arms, legs.
What a
Right. Arms, legs.
yeah, I'm fine, mate, honestly. I'm fine. Oh, what a just tuck the front. What a dick! What a penis! That's
So let's try and get it up.
Well folks, not what I was after really, not what I was expecting. Found some great roads in Japan. Been out with Craig and James from Gaijin Riders, and yeah, rode above my station really, to be honest. Hit a right hander, tucked the front, hit some rubble, and I've crashed. This is the result. You can see the forks have bent. The forks are gone, so they're going to need replacing. Headstock, basically the whole head front unit, that needs replacing. RNG slider did its job, but it's bent. But you can see it's absolutely no damage to the frame, to the fairing, side fairing whatsoever. And same with the exhaust slider, that's done its job. And the bobbin, you can see that. So one good thing, at least it's proven the crash protection works. But yeah, I'm going to be in Japan for a bit longer now. Going to have to try and source some parts, get everything replaced. So I'll probably be here for another couple of weeks, I would think. What a twat.